How are you? Iqbal from AW Pro. He's hooking me up with a couple of products which I'll be unboxing today. He's a little busy billing my stuff, so say bye to him. So I'll be unboxing the new Mavic 2 Pro. I decided to go with the smart controller. Let's get it out of the box. This is the Mavic 2 Pro Smart Controller Kit. It has a Hasselblad 1-inch sensor, 4K 10-bit HDR video with the omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It also can transmit HD quality video and can fly up to 8 kilometers. It has a 31-minute flight time per battery, and it can speed up to 72 kilometers per hour. Smells fresh. Looks very fancy. Smart controller with crystal sky display of 1000 nits. Feels pretty heavy. There are two boxes. This one has the charger. We have the propellers, another set, and a set of joysticks. One more set of propellers. Charger for the controller. Its cable. This card reads, "We are here to help you scan this QR code with the Facebook Messenger app." We have the quick start guide and the intelligent flight battery service guidelines. Barely see it. I'm not sure if you guys are able to. So all I have to do is, there's a return to home button here. All I have to do is press and hold it, and it says the aircraft is returning to the home point. So it automatically comes back and lands in the same place that it took off. Let's see how precise it is. Woo! I'm not doing anything. Very precise. It took off from the notebook and it landed exactly in the same place.
That's awesome. So it's time for me to leave. It's the last day here. It's 7:48 in the morning and there is heavy traffic. And yeah, Jamal here from Morocco picked me up. We went to Terminal 3 instead of going to Terminal 1. So I'm getting a free ride now from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1. Yeah, Dubai has been fun. And
Come to Dubai.
yes,
Dubai.
yes, and he's invited me to come to Morocco also. Yeah. So maybe my next video will be about Morocco then.